In this video, I'm going to show you the 5 best vegan condiments to add tons of flavor to your meals without adding lots of calories. Alright, so up first we have vegan queso. These products are a great addition to meals, or you can enjoy them on their own with pretzels, veggies, rice cakes, or whatever you want to enjoy. These plant-based quesos are usually made with super clean ingredients like cashews, vinegar, spices, and many brands are actually oil-free. You can enjoy a full serving of the Siete brand, which is 2 tablespoons for just 30 calories, and it's also packed with 2 grams of plant protein. And this Primal brand queso is just 25 calories for 2 tablespoons. Compare that to this Olay brand cheese dip that comes in at 70 calories for just 2 tablespoons. So not only are these plant-based quesos lower in calories and healthier, but they're also better for the animals and the environment. So up next we have one of my favorite condiments, which is coconut liquid aminos. You may have heard of regular liquid aminos, but coconut liquid aminos are a little bit less known. This is similar to regular liquid aminos, but it has a more sweet and savory flavor as opposed to just having a salty flavor like liquid aminos or soy sauce. This product is super clean and usually only has 2 to 4 ingredients that mainly consist of coconut sap and salt. Plus, depending on which brand you go with, liquid aminos just have 5 to 30 calories per tablespoon, which goes a long way in adding lots of flavor for few calories. Liquid aminos products are also typically lower in sodium than soy sauce, so if you're trying to avoid too much sodium, this is a great alternative. You can add this to whatever meals you prefer, but I love to add it to rice, and I also love to use it as a marinade for tofu and other vegan protein sources. The next condiment is super important. We have oil-free or light dressing. I can't tell you the number of times that I've seen people try to lose weight eating salads that are absolutely covered in oily salad dressings. Oil is literally the most calorie-dense food on the planet, coming in at a whopping 120 calories for just 1 tablespoon. With oil-free or light dressings, you get all of the flavor without all of the calories. One of my favorites is this Bragg's oil-free vinaigrette that comes in at just 15 calories for 2 tablespoons. Compare that to their ginger and sesame salad dressing that packs a whopping 130 calories for 2 tablespoons, and the first ingredient is oil. This brand is also sodium-free, which is a great bonus. Another great option that's a little bit more mainstream and less expensive, but also not quite as clean when it comes to the ingredients, is this Wishbone fat-free Italian dressing that also just has 15 calories for 2 tablespoons. Compare that to their original Italian dressing, which has 80 calories for 2 tablespoons. And you don't need to stop at salads. You can use these dressings as marinades, or you can also throw them in dishes like pasta salads. Just be sure to read the nutrition labels, because lots of light or fat-free dressings are loaded with artificial sweeteners, fillers, or preservatives. But these two are really great options. So our next item is a little bit more of a hack than an actual condiment. Swapping a plant-based cheese or dairy product with a low-calorie vegan yogurt is a great way to get a similar taste and texture while slashing most of the calories. A yogurt like this works as a great base for making your own dips like sour cream and ranch, or you can even make sweeter things like icing. We actually have 2 recipes that we link below where we used yogurt as a sour cream dressing in a taco salad and as an icing in our vegan carrot cake protein waffles. Many stores now carry a wide variety of different vegan yogurts, but I would opt for a low-calorie, unsweetened version like the So Delicious coconut milk yogurt, which comes in at just 90 calories for 3/4 of a cup. Or you can try some other fantastic low-calorie products like the Kite Hill yogurt dips that come in ranch, French onion, and tzatziki flavors and only contain 30 calories for 2 tablespoons. So our 5th and final condiment is teriyaki. So a lot of sauces and marinades are absolutely loaded with sugar and calories, but teriyaki sauces typically are not. Teriyaki sauces are typically about 30 to 40 calories per 2 tablespoons, so it packs a ton of flavor without that many calories. You just need to be sure that you find a brand that's oil-free and also has minimal sugar. Keep in mind that you don't need to use that much because it's packed with flavor, so a little bit goes a long way. Teriyaki is a great marinade for foods like tofu, or you can also use it as a sauce for stir fries. One of my favorite ways to use teriyaki sauce is to use it as a marinade for tofu when I'm making homemade vegan jerky. I added a link in the description to show you the top 5 ways to make tofu, and one of those is my homemade vegan jerky recipe. Alright, so now that we've covered the top 5 low-calorie vegan condiments, there are some honorable mentions that we want to make. We felt like these were pretty commonly known low-calorie vegan condiments, but just in case you didn't know that they were low in calories, we wanted to mention them. So salsa is honestly one of my dietary staples. I use it all the time in rice or in bean dishes or anything that I want to add some extra flavor to without adding a lot of calories. I also love the taste of mustard. I use it with pretzels for dipping, and I also use it on sandwiches. And if you want to kick the flavor and heat up a notch, we have sriracha and hot sauce. These add a unique spicy flavor to any dish. Sticking with condiments like these that are less than 15 calories per serving is going to allow you to accomplish your fitness goals without sacrificing any flavor. Compare that to more calorie-dense condiments like barbecue sauces, buffalo sauces, and sugary ketchups. So that's my top 5 low-calorie vegan condiments. If you think that I missed any, drop a comment below to let me know. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I'll see you in the next one.